Welcome to Planifica, the leading school scheduling solution. Today, we'll take you step by step through the platform and its features. In this video series, we'll explore the three main sections of the app: Setup, Curriculum, and Optimizer. In this video, we'll focus on the Settings section, but first, let's take a look at some key aspects of the app. Our app is available in both French and English, making it accessible to all users.
This is our dashboard. It starts off empty. First, we'll go to the Configuration section by clicking on Settings. Let's start with the global configuration.
In this step, you can choose the active school days. By default, Monday to Friday are enabled, while Saturday and Sunday remain disabled. Granularity is the basic time unit used to build the schedule. All sessions are divided according to this unit. For example, if the granularity is set to 15 minutes, a 45-minute session equals 3 units. If you want to schedule 50-minute sessions, you should choose a 10-minute granularity. This way, each session will consist of exactly 5 units.
The School Hours option sets the reference times for morning and afternoon sessions.
The Global Breaks option sets the default school break periods that apply to all levels.
In the Grade Management section, you can add, search, and organize your classes, view their groups and sizes, and easily edit or delete them.
In the Teacher Management section, you can add, edit, or remove teachers, assign their subjects, and manage their availability.
In the Subject Management section, you can add, edit, or delete school subjects, assign their category, and manage their display settings.
In the Classroom Management section, you can create, edit, or delete classrooms, assign equipment, and manage their availability slots.
Don't miss our next video. We'll show you the power of the curriculum in action.